Hi and good afternoon, everyone. Last night I had the extraordinary privilege to wait in a massive queue to download Windows 10. And once it had churned away and actually downloaded the file, the upgrade itself probably took about 40 minutes. And I'm running a Windows Surface Pro 3, and it got through that relatively easily. It then asked for my Microsoft account, and once I put that in, it then brought over all of my settings and preferences and everything. So as far as the upgrade went, relatively seamless. In terms of look and feel, the desktop looks a bit slicker in terms of the taskbar that we've got here. All of the icons and everything are familiar. The only thing that's slightly different in here is the new notifications bar. So from within here, I can switch into tablet mode if the screen's capable of doing that, or connect back. This is using a feature called Continuum, and Continuum is going to be the same technology that allows you from a Windows 10 mobile phone device to then connect that into a keyboard and monitor and have that display a full desktop experience, which is actually quite exciting for people that spend a lot of their time on the road and they've only got the one device. You'll have noticed there as well the start menu. So the start menu, gone are these kind of tiles that you'd have seen from Windows 8.1, and they've put them into the kind of start menu area. What that does is that allows them to give you a bit more control over the space that they take up. One of my main frustrations with 8.1 was that they were all over the place, and to have them in a nice, neat area where I can customize them is much better. And also the power button's nice and close to the bottom, which was always a frustration of mine when you're actually trying to turn the thing off or put it into sleep. The other interesting thing that you'll have noticed is down here is Cortana. So Cortana is your personal digital assistant. So when I click in here, Cortana knows me, it knows my interests, it knows the news sites that I usually visit, and it has access to everything on the PC as well. So you can actually activate Cortana through listening mode by voice only. So without clicking on the screen, I can say, "Hey Cortana, search for tsg.com." And as you can see, Cortana does not understand Glaswegian. One of the things with Cortana is that she learns your voice. So in day one, she's done not too badly to disentangle my Glaswegian accent into tht.com as opposed to tsg.com. So one of the things that I really like about Windows 10 so far that hasn't gone wrong in any way is Edge. Now, Edge is the new browser that's completely replaced Internet Explorer, which was starting to get to be quite a heavy browser, quite slow. A lot of people within the business had moved on to kind of other more lightweight browsers. And what we've found with the latest iteration, Edge, is they've rebuilt it from the ground up, and you can see that it's extremely quick. It works very, very fast, specifically on websites like our own, which are quite graphics heavy. And you can, when you're actually navigating around the pages, it actually does that extremely quickly and loads quite quickly. Now this has only got 4 gig of RAM, but you can see that it's extremely, extremely quick. One of the areas of tsg.com that I'd advise you to take a look at, if you haven't already, is the Office 365 area. In here you'll find plenty of information about Office 365 and how well it pairs with Windows 10. This is going to be pretty much the first accessible cloud product that everyone will use within the next couple of years. So if you aren't on it already, come here and find out a bit more about it. So as far as the Edge browser is concerned, that's everything. In terms of Windows 10, really happy with it so far, but there's certainly some areas for improvement, particularly around interpreting Scottish language.